What is up, guys? Welcome back to Motorhead YouTube channel. So we are here with my two cousins from New York, and we got this crazy idea to throw the engine into the E30. And it's Thanksgiving Day, so before everyone comes over and we start eating, we're gonna throw this thing in here real quick. And we do have pretty much everything to do it. We have the transmission mount and the motor mounts, so we're gonna just put it in for now and see how it looks inside there, and then slowly we can start piecing it together. And who is this?
Big Mike over here.
What the heck is Big Mike doing here?
Who's that, Mark? What up, Big Mike? Mark, you looking like a thug.
Hey, what's up?
What up,
Hey,
dude?
what's up, man?
What are you doing?
Y'all YouTubing it?
Yeah.
Y'all YouTubing it?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
What are you doing? You here for Thanksgiving?
yeah.
Hey, you got to park over there,
I'm
though.
gonna back up.
Yeah,
I just saw y'all standing up here.
Hey!
Hey!
We're throwing that engine in. Who is this?
I'll be right back. Hey, Victor, I got my.
All right, we're gonna get to work. Big Mike just pulled up for some turkey, and we're gonna stick this engine in real quick. It'll be quick, boys. It'll be quick. Don't worry. You'll get your turkey. You'll get your turkey. All right, y'all ready? So first thing we gotta do. You see that magic pump? This is the first thing we do. What about this? It should pop right off. Oh wait. You see right there? I think it's a nut. Yeah, there you go. And then it should just slip right off. I'm replacing that bolt anyways because it's painted. I don't like that. Okay, so we got to take these mounts off. They are for the S14, which comes in the E30, and we're putting in the S50 from the E36 M3. So we need to swap these mounts out for I think the E28 M5 is what I bought them for. Ghetto.
It's recording.
I don't care. This is the most ghetto engine install ever. Alright, dude, I'm gonna do something sketchy. Do not record this.
Yo. Oh.
Oh, we're back. Here. I need to get away from that car, dude.
I know.
Well, that's not a good sign. Harbor Great.
Like me.
Okay, hold on. I mean, it's.
Are you sure you got all the bolts?
I'm pretty sure, man.
Bolts and screws and everything?
Let's go.
The bucket's kind of in the way a little bit.
Replacing the sump. We're almost done with this. Okay guys, so I got the oil pan changed out, and the reason is because the E36 has a rear sump and we needed a front sump off the M50. That way it'll fit with the E30 subframe. So first thing we're gonna do, this engine is actually really nice condition, but I do want to go ahead and degrease it and get all of the oil off of it and whatnot, and get it nice and cleaned up before we actually drop it into the vehicle. So we're gonna get some degreaser on it and let it sit for a little bit and then clean it up, and then this thing will be ready to drop in. this here.
You hope rolling forward, or you good?
Huh?
You go forward a little bit.
You good?
Don't go forward anymore. Okay, this should come off. Look.
Vinny, I think you got a third bolt, bro.
Alright?
Oh, yeah, I didn't have that loose.
Are you gonna keep reuse that?
Huh?
You gonna reuse that?
Yeah, of course.
Nah, he's gonna give it to you for a BRZ, Vinny. For the
Okay, it needs to go
BRZ
forward,
project.
right? Forward.
Yeah, forward. Okay, now down. Down more.
Let's see where this is at.
I would have just left that.
Alright. Now it needs to not tip.
Yeah.
You need to just lower it all the way down and put a jack in the back.
Hold on. I'm gonna get the jack.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put it on the engine.
And pull it towards yourself, Vinny. The front of it.
It's going towards the fire.
It's
fine.
okay.
It's fine. It's good.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Dang, that's him.
Good work, Vinny. Good work, Vinny. Okay, now, next order of business, Vinny, is guiding these, the two mounts in.
Yo, watch out, cause you got wires. How do you know if that's where you want them?
That's fine. You're good. You're good. It was right here. You kind of snicked it.
Okay, the rear has to go up a little, and then... Guys, check this out. So finally, for the first time in 10 years, this car has an engine in the engine bay, which is just awesome. And look how clean it looks in there, man. I love this car, and I just love how everything is turning out. As you guys know, the interior is pristine. I have like over $6,000 in just in the interior alone, and then like you put in this beautiful engine. Once we get a beautiful paint job, this is going to be a car that's done right. And as you can tell, it's coming together. The engine bay is nice and painted, which I'm super happy about. We didn't have to do that. It was already done because Jamie was building this car before he got that one. So I'm super happy with all of this progress. We are going to be having a fat supercharger. I think it goes like right here somewhere. I don't know. I hope it fits, honestly. I don't know where it goes, but there doesn't look to be much room. One thing, guys, I would like to ask is, well, a couple of things. So if you guys are knowledgeable in the S50 swap, for one, people said this radiator works, but to me it looks extremely tight. I was test fitting it, and then I even bought a low profile fan, and yeah, there's no way that's going in there, as you can see. So I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe the E30 radiator that goes up into the inside there will fit, but I don't know. People said that this radiator should fit, and it doesn't. So maybe, I don't know. If anyone knows, let me know down in the comments. And then also, I know that one of these plugs is a jump harness to this plug from Condor Speed Shop, which is what I'm going to do, but there's two. So that's also another thing I'm not really sure about. So if anyone knows and can give me their expertise, please comment down below, because I have no idea why there's two of them and where one goes and where the other goes. So that's pretty much it. Power steering, it's gonna work. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a hybrid of the E30 lines and the S50 lines, and it will work because I already looked under there and see what I got to do. So that's gonna be pretty easy. One thing though I forgot about was the brake booster. So this right here, I kind of just put this in here to see how it looks, but realistically it does not fit because of this brake booster. So we need to get the brake booster off of the E34 where we got that oil pan. So that too, I ordered it. It will be here soon. Once this comes off, there's plenty of room to remove it and replace it, and that'll be nice and good. And other than that, man, this thing is just coming along super nice. I got an MS3 Pro ECU for it, and I do want to know if anyone has done this, how they run their wires, because I want to try and do something like super clean, like maybe through here and into the dash where you can't even see any of it, because I love the look of clean. Like right here, this is all clean, and I want to maintain that look. So we are going to go ahead and get this car back up on jack stands and get up under there and work on mounting the transmission. Since the engine mounts are good, we do need to still bolt them down, but I got to find the bolts. So we're going to do this first. That way the engine's in there for good and won't be teeter-tottering. We need some quick jacks. There's any quick jack reps out there? Hook us up. Did you hear something?
No.
What was that noise? That was time to fall. That was what falling?
Just this camera.
Oh no, it was the shocks. It was the shocks coming off because the strut tower's not bolted down.
Oh. Yeah, you're right.
Vinny boy, Vinny boy. What are we gonna do with you, man? You're fired.
I was gonna say, you got some negative camera there, or
No, that's fine. Look, once we get it on jack stands, we'll use the jack and lift up each tower and get it back on there.
Yo, film the camera.
Camera? We don't let stuff like that bother us. Me and Vinny, we're on top. Right, Vin?
Right.
Right, Vin Diesel?
If it's not a Beamer, we don't touch it.
And me and Vinny only work on Beamers now. Vinny's gonna get an E30, and we're gonna build it. Right, Vin?
That's right.
Okay, now I gotta get under here and see what's going on, because whoever was telling me all this stuff on the forums, I don't even know what this is, dude. This is supposed to be a transmission mount for an E30. I got scammed, bro. I don't know what this is.
At the shop, Mark.
Somehow, some way. Dude, what is this? What did I even buy? What?
Dang.
What in the world, bro? Alright guys, so unfortunately my phone died, but as you can see, we cleaned the entire shop up. It looks crazy. We put some lights up. We actually had one already, but we went ahead and put up 3 more, and we wired them in on the switch. So, boom, wait. Not that one, this one. And then I think we're gonna do 4 more right here. And this place is gonna be crazy bright. We have plenty of room, and the M3 is just sitting here. So I did figure out I did have the wrong bracket, so I had to order a new transmission bracket. So the car was put on hold, and we decided this place needed a much needed clean out because it was super filthy in here. We still have a lot of stuff we got to sort through over there, and some of it we're going to get rid of, some of it we're going to find another spot for. But this place is looking pretty good. I think what we'll do next is baseboards and some epoxy floor. That way this place is super clean and super neat. And as you can see, we have plenty of work area around this car. We moved Jamie's M3 into the corner over there. That way it'll be out of sight, out of mind, and well protected. And then we're gonna have this car just chilling right here. And actually, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and cover Jamie's car up. There's just no reason for it to not be covered up. It's getting extremely dusty. So we're gonna cover this thing up, that way it's protected. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and order pretty much everything, and then in the next video on the M3, we're gonna have this thing completely running, and it's gonna be super awesome. I'm excited because once it gets running, that means we can take it to Larry's shop and throw a full paint job on it. And I'm gonna actually show you guys a whole separate video of my rims that I'm building for it. They're 3-piece forged. And just show them that corner just for a second. Sneak peek. That's it. That's it. That's all they get. Sneak peek. They're getting powder coated right now, and that is going to be my spare because I have 5 of them, and it's going to go into the rear of the trunk just in case we ever have any issues. And I gave Nate the M parallels, so he put these on. These are just rollers for the car for now. But yeah, that's going to be it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more of this content, be sure to smash that subscribe button, and you can follow on Instagram at motorhead.co. I'll link it down below. I appreciate all the love and support on the videos I've been getting. I love you guys, and thanks for watching. Peace.